Hey, what's up, y'all? This Rose are back with another video. Happy Friday to you guys out there. Um, this is a Christmas gift that somebody gave me, one of my subscribers. NASCAR Nana Gang and your boy Tizzle. I appreciate the gift from the bottom of my heart. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video that I'm about to do. I had to redo the video over again. So let's get right into this video, okay? Without no disturbance. So yeah, I opened the top part. It's an Amazon gift. Hamilton Beach. So let's open it up. I had to just cut the box open. So this is the top. Oh, this is the top part. This is the bottom part. Oh, this is cute. It's a little mini blender, you guys. See, look, a little mini blender put on here. Okay, this the blender, the top. See, top. Okay. So it's a blender. Oh, y'all feel sorry. So this is a blender. Thank you, NASCAR Nana and Tizzle. I appreciate the gift. I can't wait to start making little smoothies or whatever in there. This is my present from them. It just came today. Yeah, I love my gift. I appreciate the gift. And I'm going to be making some smoothies out of it. Yes, I am. So, thank you for my Christmas gift. It just came today, you guys. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click on the bell to be notified when I drop a video. I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing video with me that my subscriber gave me today. It was a Christmas gift for me, from them to me. And I thought that was so nice of them to really do that. They ain't have to do that. And, you know, it's the thought that counts. And I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much, NASCAR Nana and Tizzle. I appreciate my gift. I'm going to be doing some smoothies out of this. So stay tuned for a video for that. And, yeah. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and comment down below and what you thought about my unboxing video. And, you know, I appreciate the gift, and I love you guys for that. Thank y'all for watching. Have a good weekend. Y'all be safe out there. Be blessed. Happy holidays to all my subscribers out there. And, yeah, I'm signing out. And I'm going to have fun making some smoothies with this or whatever. You know, I'm going to put it up so the kids won't get it or nothing like that. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye.